Jaw Botox gone wrong. Here's why this happened and how to fix it. I'm a surgeon and aesthetic physician, and I've been doing Masseter Botox injections for almost 15 years. So why did Botox into this muscle make it bulge even more? Let's look at the anatomy. The masseter muscle is the largest muscle in the face and is known as a muscle of mastication, which is a fancy way of saying it helps us chew. By contracting, it forcefully causes the jaw to elevate, closing the mouth, helping us chew. Overactivity of the muscle can cause enlargement, widening the jaw, and creating pain. If you look at the picture, you can see that the masseter has a deep portion and a superficial portion of the muscle. This is going to be important later. Injections of Botox into the masseter muscle can help weaken it and can actually be a really effective treatment for symptoms of teeth grinding, clenching, and TMJ. It can also be used cosmetically for jaw slimming. But if you inject Botox only to the deep or superficial layer of the muscle, the layer that was not treated will try and overcompensate and work harder, leading to bulging of the muscle. And that's what happened here. Fortunately, there is a fix, and it's pretty easy. Because the masseter is such a big muscle, it can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks for the Botox to fully kick in this area. If the bulge is still present after that time, all you gotta do is inject a little bit more Botox into the bulging area, and after a few days, it's gonna sort everything out. Has this happened to you? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more.